So, good evening.
Yeah, hi, Dhanashri.
Hi,
Good.
Rakesh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. And how was your day?
Yeah, it was great. Just now I have finished my work, and yeah,
Okay,
so it's
nice.
too hectic. Yeah, mostly I do have a plan in evening. I just after doing this session, I will make some plan to go outside.
Okay. Do you have a holiday tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow is my holiday, right?
Oh, great. So, did you get time to go through the session notes for the day?
Yeah, just now I saw it is a like bucket list like that. I
Yes,
didn't get what is a mean by like
bucket list.
bucket list. It means like if you want to do something crazy in your life, so like that.
Yes, it includes both. If you want to do something crazy, like some travel goals of yours, maybe, or
Mhm.
it also includes small goals which you set for yourself.
Okay,
Okay?
okay. Then then
Small
then.
plans or small goals, what you made for yourself, or what you
Mhm.
aspire to do, maybe in a fun way. Yes?
Okay. Yeah, got it, man.
Okay. Yes. So you must have thought about things, that by this time I will do this, or before I turn 30, I am going to travel to so and so places. All this comes under bucket list. Or it
Okay,
can be even
got it.
career related. It can be serious goals, like career
Hmm.
related goals, or it can
Hmm.
be fun goals, like a traveling goals. Yes?
Okay, got it. I got it. Yeah. So I do have
Okay.
a lot of bucket list then.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, you have one bucket list and you have a lot of things in that bucket list. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So let us begin.
Yeah. Let's begin.
Okay. Tell me then, what do you have on your bucket list?
So there are a lot of things
Mm.
in my bucket list. So
Hmm.
first, I want to do trekking a lot.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. And yeah, it is my dream to go in flight also, but I
Yes.
didn't go in flight. So it is my not a
Okay.
dream. Yeah, it is my
Hmm.
bucket list. That's it.
Yes.
And
Nice. You told me the other day, right, that you went on a trek?
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I
Right.
told you last time when
Right.
yeah, I I
Yes.
I I I was hiking in Kedarnath. Something I
Yes.
told you.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Right. Right. I remember. Okay. Tell me.
yeah. And yeah, related to traveling, I do have a lot of plan.
Hmm.
So I want to.
Have you planned, to travel India, maybe all over
Yeah,
India or somewhere
yes,
outside the
yes, yes.
country?
I just want to travel all over India.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, I just want to leave a culture of there. I just want to personally want to leave that culture.
Yes.
And
Live that culture. Live that culture.
yes, leaves
Live.
that culture.
Okay, wait, wait. See, there's a word leave. You're pronouncing it as leave. Leave. Leave is like you let go something, and the other
Okay,
is live. You want to say
live.
live, right?
Right,
Yes,
live, right.
right. Okay, yes. Continue.
Yeah. And other, I'm not remember now what is in my
Hmm.
bucket list. Yeah. Yeah, I
Okay,
will
you're
tell
not
you
able to
later.
exactly remember.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, no
Now,
problem. You can tell me something which you've already completed. Like maybe as a child, you had thought, I want to do so and so things, and now you've completed it. Are there anything things like that?
it is all related to places, ma'am, too. Because when
Okay.
since my childhood, it was my dream to go Delhi.
Hmm.
So I just want to live here only. So I
Okay.
just want to do job or get salary and
Hmm.
like want to wanted to make a lot of fun in my life,
Yes. Have a lot of fun.
have a lot of fun. So yeah,
Hmm.
I have done all the thing now, and especially my childhood dream was mm, yeah, related to like travel in bus only. Like I don't want to go
Hmm.
outside. Like I just want to live in bus and
Okay.
explore everywhere in bus only. Because when I
So
there
nice.
is only 5 kilometers far from
Hmm.
market is 5 kilometers far from my home.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when I go by bus something, so at a
Hmm.
time I think, yeah, it's coming so soon. Market is coming like to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So at a time
Okay,
it
okay,
was my dream. I never come market like that. Never come. It will take
okay,
time. Maybe I want to travel 24 hour in bus. So like
okay.
every time I would like to live in
In a bus.
bus only. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So it
Have
was
you
my
seen those
dream.
videos? Yes, yes. Continue, continue.
Yeah, when I was coming in Delhi, so at the
Hmm.
time that
Coming?
dream,
Yes,
I
to
was
Delhi.
I was
Coming
yeah,
to
I
Delhi.
was coming to Delhi. At that
Hmm.
time, my dream has completed because I came here by bus.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
yeah, it is totally like 24 hour. It had been taken.
okay.
So so yeah,
Yes,
at that time, yeah, I tried a lot. So you can say ki, yeah, it was my dream to go by bus. So at the time I
okay.
finished this thing
Nice.
also. Yes, ma'am. You
Yes,
was saying something, ma'am.
yes. So you like traveling by road, you said, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Only
Yes.
related
So,
to traveling, I do have a plan, but not now.
okay. Yes.
Yes.
I was saying, have you seen those videos where they take a bus and they completely renovate it? They put beds and they create a kitchen and then they
Right, right.
go for traveling. I've seen
Yes,
those.
yes, yes. Yeah,
Those are
I have seen.
fascinating.
Yeah, I have seen a lot of video on YouTube regarding this thing.
Hmm. Yes.
So yeah, they have a very good facility. I think these peoples are also doing this thing. Who peoples are in in uh, in Indian Idols? There are a
Hmm.
lot of famous persons. They do like this
Yes.
also. They
Okay.
live in
Okay.
they live in bus, and
Hmm.
they have all facility in bus, and
Okay.
everything they can do. So yeah, these type of people
Okay.
I have seen. And even last time I think you you had a discuss regarding this, na? I had a discuss with you regarding Saurabh Joshi something.
Yes. Yes. You told me
Yeah,
about
yeah.
Traveler. Correct. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We had a discussion about
Yeah,
it. Correct.
he had also done this thing. So I often
Okay.
see his video.
Yes.
So he has done this thing also.
Yes. And does that fascinate you? It fascinates you, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it is my
Okay.
also bucket list. I want to uh, uh like buy expensive car or
Hmm.
expensive like uh, Ferrari, like something like that. But yeah, in
Okay.
future, let's see, ma'am. It is my
Yes.
also. I just want to see it there. And it is my also dream. You can say
Yes. It is one of your dreams.
it is my one of
Yes.
my dream. Right, right.
It is. It is one of my dreams. Don't say my toys.
Okay,
Okay.
it is one
Yes.
of my dream.
Yes. Right. Also, have you
Okay.
thought of anything adventurous like bungee jumping, skydiving, scuba diving? Have you thought of anything like that on your bucket list?
Uh, yeah, it was. But yeah, I
Hmm.
have done this thing. I have already done
You've
in.
already completed this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This
That's
this thing I
great.
have already. I
Yes.
recently I went to Rishikesh also. So skydiving
Okay.
and and jumping I have also done
Yes.
in Rishikesh.
Okay.
So
So you have
and track.
checked this off your list. Check this
Yeah,
off your
yeah.
list.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So, so
Sorry,
this is
ma'am.
the word.
How can I say?
Yes. Yes. You can say I have checked this off my list. You have
Okay,
checked it off.
I test it off my
I
list.
have checked. CHEKED. The checked word. I've
Okay,
checked
okay,
this off my list. Yes.
okay. I have checked this out of my
Off.
list.
Yes. You can
Out
say
of my
out of
list.
my list, or you can say off. O double F.
Okay,
Yes.
got it,
Okay.
ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So tell
Yeah.
me what motivated you to make a bucket list for yourself?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Only like I have seen a lot of video on YouTube. So
Hmm.
when I didn't motivate, or I don't have any specific thing to motivate. I am a self
Hmm.
motivate, you can say, ma'am.
Okay.
I want to
Great.
do extraordinary in my life.
Yes.
So I it is my dream. I think I last time I also told you. I just want to make my own identity.
Yes.
if I
Yes.
go somewhere, so people can recognize me, or
Yes.
you can say. So for that, yeah, whatever I can do, I do my best.
Hmm.
And yeah, so nothing is there. Yeah, whenever like, we are a human, sometimes we are demotivate also, but
Yes.
at the time, maybe if you are demotivating, so let's take a pause for some day, 2 days, 3 days,
Yes.
5 days, then just see some video. Then you can
Yes.
charge up again.
Yes.
You can come back to your same routine then.
Yes. We
Yeah.
can
So
relax a bit, get refreshed,
Mhm.
and come back, right?
Right, right. And there is
Yes.
one more thing, ma'am.
Hmm.
When I get free, like
Hmm.
like it is a more important thing to be motivated.
Yes.
So uh, whenever you feel like I'm doing a lot of things, I don't have sufficient time, like that, just you can take
Hmm.
a pause, like just you can take a pause for a week. Not, you don't need to do anything for 7 days.
Hmm.
Just you need to
Right.
sit at home.
Hmm.
Then you will realize कि nothing is there. If you are addicted
Addicted.
to
Yes.
addicted to social media or something,
Hmm.
so what you
Right.
need to do, you need to watch a lot of social media video, like until you will fed up all the thing.
Yes.
Then you can. So after some time you will automatically understand that nothing is there. There is just,
Hmm.
I'm doing just time pass here. So
Yes.
after some time you will realize there is nothing.
That there is,
Then
yes, there is nothing in that particular activity, right? Or
yeah,
in
there
that
is
addiction.
nothing in yeah, there is
Yes.
nothing in that particular activity.
Activity. Yes.
So yeah, at the time you no need to keep in your mind, just you need to put on paper ki
Hmm.
what exactly I am feeling now. So just if
Yes.
you are feeling bored, whatever at the time you are feeling, so
Hmm.
just you need to put on paper. But
Yes.
yeah, whenever now you are motivated, now you are doing your work, but sometime you are
Hmm.
again more demotivated, just you can took that paper, just you can read. Yeah, I at the times I was doing that thing, that time is also I'm boring, and I'm also boring at the time, so
Yes.
both are same.
Yes.
It's better than
Yes.
you can do something.
Yes.
So
Yes. Right.
yeah,
So you will say, even that time I was bored, and even now I am bored. I am
yeah,
boring is, you're describing yourself like I am a boring person. If I would say I am a boring person,
yeah,
and if yes, and that the state of being bored by something else.
Mhm.
So I am feeling bored, right?
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Also,
Even
when
at that
we,
time I was boring. At that
no,
time,
no, not boring. You were bored.
okay, okay, got it.
Yes,
Even at that time, I was bored. Even
yes,
now, I am, I am bored.
bored. Yes, bored is
Okay,
correct. Boring
okay,
is
got
you're
it.
describing the person, the noun. Like you can say,
Okay,
I am boring. Like
okay,
when you're talking
got it.
about myself, yes. When the activity
Mhm.
is boring,
It's
you can say
going
I
on.
was bored by that particular activity. Yes.
Got
Also,
it.
yes, demotivated. Whenever we are feeling demotivated, complete that word. You
Mm-hmm.
said it like twice, thrice, but you said demotivated or demotivating. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we feel demotivated. Yes.
Demotivated. Okay.
Yes.
Whenever we
Okay.
feel demotivated. Fine.
Yes. Okay. You also
Okay.
told me about you like to write down things. So have you written down your bucket list?
Yeah, this thing I have
Hmm.
quit lot of things for
Hmm.
that reasons also. Like I have quit like lot of things. Like I have a lot of wrong addiction. So at the
Hmm.
time I done this thing, like if I smoke a lot, so at the
Hmm.
times I smoked a lot at the time. Then whatever
Okay.
I'm feeling at the time, just you need to put there ki what I am feeling. It's
Hmm.
feeling the feeling of that time. Just you need to put
Yes.
down paper. I have done this thing in other way,
Yes.
but not in this way.
Okay. Like other things, you have done it and it has helped you. In
Yeah.
bucket list, you've still not written it down. You have it
Yes.
mentally
Yes.
on.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, is there something on your bucket list what you've thought of about which you want to achieve? Like the rest of things you can let go, but this one thing you want to do. Is there anything like that?
Mm, uh, Yeah, so that is
Hmm.
a main. First, I just want to improve my English. So it is my bucket
Hmm.
list. It is my first priority
Hmm.
now.
Good.
And second, yeah, then I will go in other languages also.
Nice.
Maybe, but not in like other languages is not means like French, Spanish like that. I just
Yes.
want to learn my uh like in other language. It means Indian language only.
Yes. Okay. That's great.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So
nice. Yes.
that's it. That's it. It is my main and whatever which field I'm working. So I just want to achieve excellence and that field. So
Hmm.
it is my high priority. So I do in daily basis too. I give my 100% of that work too. So
Yes.
surely, yeah, I will achieve something in my role or my duties also.
Yes.
That's
That's
it,
great.
ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, that is very nice. We'll move on to
Yeah.
the feedback before the session
Mhm.
gets cut for the day.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, right.
Okay. So you're able to articulate your thoughts well. I told you the other day also. That is one
Yes.
good thing. We
Mhm.
need to work on the form of verbs like the tenses and also prepositions in some places. The in
Yeah, right.
on, yes,
Mhm.
that one thing, and prepositions. Also, sometimes you take a little long time to frame sentences, but I think that will go away with time, so that we do not have to worry. As long as you're taking time to form the right sentence, it is okay for now,
Mhm.
especially when you're talking to tutors. But day by day, I think it will go away. So that is not a
Right,
problem. But
right.
I want you to take conscious efforts with tenses and with
Mhm.
prepositions. Okay?
Okay. So can you
Yes.
suggest me, ma'am, like how we can improve our uh, prepositions or
Prepositions.
yeah,
Okay.
and
Prepositions, you can read them, like where to use in, where to use on, under,
Mhm.
then there's
Mhm.
below, above.
Mhm.
Where do you use them exactly? I can tell you.
Mhm.
I'll tell you a few things. Like suppose
Mhm.
when you have to use in, you are inside something, or we
Mhm.
put the milk in the pan or in
Yeah.
the vessel, so it is inside. If it is going to
Mhm.
be on, then
Mhm.
I kept the plate on the table, so it
Right,
is
right.
not going inside the table, right? It's on. So I'm sure you know these differences,
Yeah,
but in the
these
flow,
thing
sometimes you make a
these
mistake,
thing
right?
right, right.
Yes.
These thing I know, but yeah, in a conversation we use
Huh.
different type of prepositions. So at the
Yes.
time, yeah,
Yes.
I feel something. Yeah, I don't know
Yes.
something about this thing.
Yes.
So yeah, maybe
I
I
want to
need to
go
go
in
through.
a plane. Yes. I want to
Yeah.
go see if you're going by bus, like I want to travel by bus. Instead
Mhm.
of saying I want to travel in bus, you can say I want to travel by a bus.
By
Because
bus.
it is
Yeah,
throughout the journey is there.
yeah, yeah.
That is why.
I know
Yes?
this thing, but yeah,
Hmm.
during the conversations at the
Huh.
times, yeah, we need to think
Yes.
in also because we didn't talk about this thing in our entire
Yes.
life. So
Yes.
suddenly
Yes.
you
Right.
need to think about that things and you
Hmm.
need to speak in English also. Yeah, it is a
Yes.
different
Correct.
thing, man.
Yes. Yes. With practice.